Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Alteryx video, and today I'd like to share with you guys basic filters on Alteryx. So it's really simple, easy and straight. So no further ado, let's do it together. So guys, here on Alteryx screen we can just move on to this section called preparation, or you can also search here for filter in order to get this tool and use in your workflow. So I'm gonna work from here, from preparation section. So click once on preparation, then filter with right button of your mouse, and then open example. You will see these examples, this data sample from Alteryx, okay? I'm gonna use this one in order to be useful for you to follow me. While I'm doing, you can do as well at home. So first of all, guys, let's click once in run, just to see the results on each filter tool over here. Then in the first one, we can see this basic filter from this data set. So in this data set, we have customer ID, first name, last name, gender, region, score, joint date, and first purchase date. And I will start with you guys using customer ID because it's a numeric field and filter in this kind of field, numeric field. How do I know this? I just click on customer ID, then metadata over here. And I can see that customer ID is a type int 32, which means number, okay? So I will click back on data, then click on customer ID, then click here in the left side in the setting part. We're gonna do the basic filter with customer ID, okay? Once you select a numeric field, you will see the options like equal, not equal, less than, less or equal, higher than, higher or equal, is null or it's not null. This is like Fluent, guys. We can just check, see the symbol and understand how the filter works. For example, if I click at here equal, which means that I'm looking for some fields equal these numbers. For example, I will put it here 49 and then run. And you will see the filter has two types of outputs, the true results and the false results. The true results is the one that match with your expression over here in the configuration, and the false is the opposite of that, okay? The other way. Once I click on true output, I can see that I have here just the row where I have 49 as customer ID, all right? So because I put it the equal 49 over here. If I put it, for example, not equal 49 and click in run, the results on true output will be different. Okay, now I have all the results unless 49. Okay, now guys, let me show you the difference. For example, different kind of filter. For example, more than 49. I will put it more than 49 and click on run. You will see the results. In the results of customer ID, I have just the numbers more than 49, okay? 49 plus. And as you can check or realize here, I don't have 49 in the true result because 49 is equal 49, not more than 49, which means if I want to include 49 as an option in the results, I have to moving back to this part of the filter and clicking more or equal. Okay, once I select this, you will see in the true results 49 now and 456. All right, this is how numeric filters works on Alteryx. Let's move on to text field. I don't want to click in metadata because definitely I know that first name Thomas is something related to text, okay? I already know that. So I will just moving back to configuration, and in the basic filter, I will just select another field to filter. In this case, first name. Once you click on first name, you will see the options of filters different from numeric ones, okay? In this case, I have equal, does not equal, comes before, comes after, contain, do not contain, is null, not null, empty, or not empty. Because empty or not empty are two options available just for texts, okay? When you have blank space in your field, all right? If I put it equal, I have to type over here the text that I want to match with in the first name. In my case, I will put it Galileo and then run. This is a kind of equal in the numeric, but in this case we put it equal instead the symbol equal. Okay, and as you can see in the results of true result, I have Galileo right now, and in the false the other name. Okay, let's move in back over here and select another option, does not equal. Now I will click in run, and you will see that in the results, true result, now we have all the options that not met with Galileo in the results. Okay, in the true we have all this 5, and now in the false result I have the Galileo. Then guys, we can just go and click, for example, in contains. Okay, from contains I will put it just GA, for example. If I put a GA and click in run, I will see these results. Now I have in the true the Galileo as well. Why? It's because I put a GA, and once you select contain as an option in our filter, Alteryx will just check all the fields and look for these 2 words in each field. If Alteryx find these options, will automatically just select as true results. Okay, this means contains these words in the fields. That's the meaning of this selection option in configuration. Okay, does not contain is the opposite. Null or not null, you know guys, if the field is null, it will appear on true results. In this case, not null is the opposite way, and empty is not empty, works like null. Okay, but we have like here comes before or comes after. Just let me select this option, for example, and I will keep Galileo in my filter. Okay, then I will click on run, and now I will check, and as you can see over here, we have Benjamin and Dorothy in the result, in the true results. Why? Let me click on input of this. As you can check over here, guys, we have Galileo and we have Benjamin and Dorothy just right after. Okay, so which means that Galileo comes before Dorothy and Benjamin. That's why Alteryx put Benjamin and Dorothy in the true results. Okay, because Galileo just comes right before those 2 fields. Now guys, I would like to use the comes after. Okay, comes after Galileo. Let me click on run, and now we have in the results Thomas, Lois, and Tim. Why we have those 3 fields instead just the Thomas, the one that is or the Benjamin, the one that comes after Galileo in the data source? It's because, guys, this is like a text field, so which means that alphabetic order will be the one that Alteryx follow. So if we check the true results, we have Thomas, Lois, and Tim. TLT comes after G in the alphabetic, right? So that's why Alteryx put those 3 after Galileo. If you click in before, you will see before G we have B and D on alphabetic, right? That's how this comes before and comes after works on Alteryx. So those are the basic filters for text fields on Alteryx. Okay, now I would like to share the dates, the filter for date fields. Let's select a date field over here. We have join date as a date field, so I will click on join date. Then we have these options similar to numbers, but these will work with dates. So if I put it equal, I have to select over here in the right part which date I want to match in my filter. If I put it fixed, I have to select over here in this calendar the date that I want to match. Okay, instead fixed, if I look for today, Alteryx will always check the today date and apply. The date that you run your workflow will be the date that Alteryx filter your data set. All right, and also we have tomorrow. In this case, Alteryx considered today +1. plus 1 day, or yesterday, today minus 1 day. Okay, so you can work with dynamic selection or fixed. It's up to you. I will click on fixed, guys, and I'm gonna put it like June 18 2023. June 18 2023. If I click on run, you will see the results. Okay, no results appeared because, okay, I was checking the first purchase date, but I have to check join date. In join date I have June 28. So I will select the June 28, run, and I have here now the filter works. Okay, and if I put it more, I will see higher. Actually it means higher than this date. I will see all the dates that are higher than June 28th. Okay, if I put it less, is the opposite way, and higher or equal means this date and this date plus. So let me select this option just to check. Now I have the similar date, so the date that match the same date, June 28th, and the others are higher than this one. Okay, that's how Alteryx works with dates. Let's see if we have another kind of field. No, we have numbers, and I showed you we have text, or we can have dates. Okay, that's how basic filters works on Alteryx. That's all for today, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget please to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you have any comments, just leave in the comments down below. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.